Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Autoland North in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2018 Acura RLX Tech. So, this one has, of course, Tech Pack. Let's see what else we have here. Original MSRP of $55,865. Now, here is the cool badge. Performance all-wheel steering. That is cool. I haven't driven this very much. I just drove it probably 2 miles to get here. So, I'll go through and see if I can feel it on the drive. Now, the RLX is the bigger TLX, or so I thought when I started out. That's not the case. This is way nicer than the TLX. The leather feels way nicer, more high quality. Driver's seat is more comfortable. All the trim pieces, all higher quality. The instrument cluster, gloss black accents with some chrome. Haven't seen that before. Suede headliner. So let's see here. When I'm at low speeds like this, it does have a very good turning circle, but I don't think it's, either way, it's not going to have your wheels like that. It's very, very slight. .5 VTEC NAV6 under the hood. Tried and true. It's the Honda Acura unit that they've been using for years. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. I felt a little difference there. Yeah, that I definitely felt it a little bit there in terms of the all-wheel steering, because either this car handles like a dream and the front end turn-in is next level, or that helped me out there. Because I've never had a car dart around the corner like that, except for like a 720S. Now, we are in sport mode. Cruising on the highway, one huge difference over the TLX is ride. This is a much more comfortable ride. Just soft, cushiony. Take it out of sport mode. I could go for miles in this. Oh yeah, brake response is right there. Very curious to see if I can feel this rear wheel steer on this off ramp. Okay, maybe it's not as dramatic as I was anticipating. Okay. I don't want to use a placebo and say, oh yeah, 100%, I got it. But I can feel it a little bit. Well, let me put it to you this way. Even if I can't tell the difference between performance all-wheel steer and not, the fact that I think I can shows you that this handles better than almost any other big luxury sedan out there. So one thing Acura has always done pretty well is make nice to drive, fun, good handling cars. And even in a luxury full-size sedan like this is, they're doing a good job. I mean, look at the materials here. For $55,000 new, this is really good. Okay, yeah, that's next level. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.